Today, I feel like making apple pie pancakes. For my wet ingredients, I'm using 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then combining that. And then for my dry ingredients, I'm using 2 cups of gluten-free flour, a 1/4 cup of regular sugar, 1.5 tablespoons or teaspoons, of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and then enough cinnamon to your liking. Because I'm using gluten-free flour, when I mix my wet and dry ingredients, I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes. I've sliced up about 3 apples, and to that, I'm just gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice to add a little bit of tartness. Then I'm melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of sugar to that melted butter, and I'm just gonna melt it down nice. I'm gonna add an extra teaspoon of vanilla extract, some cinnamon powder, and then melt that down. Adding my apples in, I'm just going to let them cook until they're nice and soft. To make sure that my glaze is a little thick, I'm adding a little bit of a cornstarch slurry, which is about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to about a 1/4 cup of water. Our pancakes came out perfectly fluffy, and now I'm just shaking a little bit of powdered sugar on top. The combination of the cinnamon, vanilla, and the soft apples just gives you that nice reminiscent flavor of apple pie. This is divine. I hope you guys enjoy it.